What's going on, crypto family? Today we're going to talk about Kart Racing League. A lot of things are going on right now, especially since we're only a few days away from launch. I believe it's happening on December 10th, 12 p.m. UTC. Overall, I am really excited for the future of this project. I do believe the team is capable of achieving a very successful play-to-earn metaverse game. They did buy a company. They do have teams working on this project. They also dropped this video of their office in Vietnam with these nice glowing computers. One thing I do like about this team especially is because they're very transparent about the things they're doing and how they plan on getting things done. Also, I'm going to be going over Kart Racing League's recent price action and how the overall market of crypto is affecting the price. I'm going to make sure to go over the charts, major news. We are also going to be taking a look at some sneak peeks of the Kart Racing League's metaverse and the potential that this project has. And afterwards, I want to discuss Blue Monster Games' major announcement that was released earlier this week, which makes me more confident in this project in the long term and the play-to-earn games that follow. I do believe Blue Monster Games is a sleeping giant and that all of us today are very lucky to be part of something so massive at these early stages. I will also include my Kart Racing League reward strategy on how I plan to accumulate my EOC. It definitely makes sense to get in early and play. We don't have an earning cap. Of course, this entire video isn't financial advice and it's for entertainment purposes only. We're going to get right into it. As we all know, the last couple days in the cryptocurrency market has been downtrending, starting from all-time highs up here, but as of recently, falling down all the way to $42,000 a Bitcoin. That is a massive crash. So obviously the altcoins were affected. The price of Bitcoin seemed to bounce back, closing just below $50,000, which is a great sign. And if we look back, we are still uptrending. We are making new higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So overall, I do think Bitcoin has potential to make new all-time highs if we recover from this harsh pullback. But I do expect a little downtrend in the coming day or two. But overall, this hasn't affected Kart Racing League too bad. But I'm sure we'll recover. We're sitting at 0.026 cents, bouncing from a low of 0.018 cents during that whole Bitcoin flash crash. We actually rallied up all the way to 4 cents, which is actually insane if you think about it. Any of those people who were lucky enough to pick it up during this flash crash was able to double their money, which I respect because I do believe in day trading is a more profitable method, but it is also a skill that needs to be practiced and worked on a daily basis to master. You know, I do expect the price of KRL to continue going up as we near the game release and the marketing push that the team is going to do. But we're still at the mercy of the overall market, so it should be interesting to see how this all pans out. Obviously, Bitcoin won't downtrend forever, and I think once we establish a support, the bulls should be back in control, and that's when I really do expect KRL to start increasing in value. As you can see, we're currently sitting with a fully diluted market cap of $256 million. We're just a 4x away from a fully diluted market cap of $1 billion. With stable market conditions and the game release, alongside with the heavy marketing that will go on in Vietnam and in Brazil starting in January that the team has mentioned, I could easily see it going to $1 billion market cap. I'm so bullish on the Blue Monster Games ecosystem, especially after watching their live AMA on Hustlepedia. They seem to have a strong team and leadership that's going to get them to these new all-time highs. So I'm very excited to talk about this. I saw this photo and I thought it was hilarious. Me checking the price of KRL, I wonder how high it is. I really do think the price of KRL will hit some very high numbers. And if you guys are wondering why, I'm going to show you right now. Like I mentioned in the intro, the official live production release of Kart Racing League will be on December 10th at 12 p.m. UTC. So that's the day we can actually start playing this game and earning money. What I think is actually pretty crazy is that the fully diluted market cap of KRL is currently $250 million and the game hasn't even released. And the fact that Bitcoin flash crashed a couple days ago, taking the whole market with it. So that's actually really impressive still. Blue Monster Games is officially offering their token as a pre-sale. It's currently live today. This token is going to be extremely useful because it will allow its players to spend their rewards from playing the game in the real world. I will drop a video about that in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. This is gonna make life-changing opportunities for people all around the world, especially in developing countries. Check out this city, guys. This is gonna be massive. There's gonna be so many opportunities to earn money playing this game, exploring and having fun, and the team developing this project are hard at work, as you can see. What's also very interesting, the team released a sneak peek of the outskirts of the map. It seems to be some type of forest. Reminds me of Fortnite a little bit. I'm getting that vibe. Overall, the game development seems like it's coming at a fast pace. It's definitely interesting because they're going to be releasing land, weapons, and all kinds of in-game NFTs that are purchasable by EOC tokens, in-game currency. I'm actually also glad that they're giving the EOC token some utility. Like, check out this horse, guys. I'm sure we'll be able to buy horses, skateboards, hoverboards, and all kinds of other things to navigate this metaverse. This is not just a racing game, guys. This is going to be massive. And when I go over the Blue Monster token, you guys are going to see why. Like, they have some really ambitious goals for this whole ecosystem that they're developing. And it's just so crazy that we're so early. This guy dropped some serious alphas in that video. Like, I don't know if you guys caught that. The AMA of the CEO from Blue Monster Games had on Hustlepedia, and especially with some recent updates that they posted, is making me more confident on the team and the projects that they're creating. I'm really glad the team has a lot of thought about how they want to run and update the games. That's very important when it comes to these kind of projects, especially for a play to earn metaverse tokens such as KRL. I do like how they're going to introduce new game modes and seasons. I really do hope some Twisted Metal type derby game and a Rocket League type game mode, because we're already halfway there. These are very popular games, and I'm sure if they were to put their own little spin to it, this would attract massive amounts of people, especially something like a Rocket League type game. And of course, I would love if they had an accessory store in that metaverse where people can customize their racers however they want. Even if a scholar is borrowing a racer, it would be dope for them to be able to customize a racer even though it's not theirs. They still have the option to do so. I'm sure the game's going to come out great regardless. It states that a player will earn 6,000 EOC for finishing in the first place of each race. At the price of 0.0003 per EOC token, your potential earnings is 18 cents USD per win. Obviously, that's not a lot right now. The game hasn't even released. EOC will definitely increase in value. This 18 cents per win is only because the price of EOC is 0.0003. I 100% believe this won't be for long. The reason why I think EOC is going to rise in value is because there will be a lot of utility to come for the EOC in the KRL universe. Look what we can do. We can buy lands, weapons, equipments, pets, and more. I'm sure they're going to add accessories, the horses, like we saw before. If EOC were to 10x all the way up to $30 million market cap, which isn't a lot, guys. $30 million for an in-game token, in my opinion, is not a lot, especially when we compare it to Axie's SLP. Its market cap is $127 million, coming from like an 80% decrease in price from all-time highs. Like, I definitely can see EOC hitting 30 million. So like I said, if EOC 10x's in value, then the USD you win will 10x as well. So 0.18 cents times 10 would give you $1.80 per win. Like I said, 0.18 cents at a $3 million market cap of EOC. If that were to hit 30 million, which is a 10x, you would earn $1.80 per first place for each race you win. Each race is about 2 to 3 minutes. And if you were to first place 10 times per day, that's $18 a day. And if you times that by 30, which is a month, that's $540 per month if you play and win 10 times a day when the value of EOC has a market cap above 30 million. But like I said, if you guys play early, you guys will earn the most tokens, which 6,000 EOC is not that bad. Also, I want to include that as the project grows, the 6,000 EOC for finishing in first place of each race definitely has to be reduced as the value of EOC goes up, because this needs to be a sustainable play to earn game. So like I said, playing this game early will definitely help those scholars if they're able to hold on to their EOC tokens. That's what I plan on doing. Of course, course, make sure you guys take profit if you need to and do your own research to find out what works best for your financial situation. Of course, this is not financial advice. So if EOC were to have 1/4 of the market cap of Smooth Love Potions, the in-game currency for Axie Infinity, not even half, just 1/4 of what they have, the scholars that play this game could earn $540 per month if they were to win first place in 10 races every single day, when the value of EOC has a market cap of 30 million, which is currently sitting at 2.5 million, which is a little over 10x where you want to be to earn that much money. And like I said, they definitely need to cap the amount of times a NFT racer can win, alongside reducing the 6,000 EOC, because we need to have a balance of rewards to sustain this economy. But like I said, if you guys play early, you guys will earn the most tokens. So like the CEO said, this is potentially life-changing opportunities for these people in developing countries. The game isn't even released yet. Just give it some time. The marketing will come, the release will come, the listings for the token are on its way. The price will go up, and a 10x is very easy for an in-game currency of this magnitude. I just showed you all the sneak peeks of the metaverse. They're not playing around. This has a massive potential, guys. Guys, I definitely can see Kart Racing League hitting over $1 billion market cap, as well as seeing EOC hitting above $30 million market cap. So as long as you guys continue to support, like, share, and be patient with the team at Blue Monster Games, they are more than capable of being able to release a successful product at this magnitude, especially in this developing play-to-earn metaverse market of cryptocurrencies. Like, we're really early, guys. Like, this is going to be a stable. Like he said, eventually there won't be any games that won't earn the user some money. Play-to-earn games is the future. But it doesn't stop there. There's a lot more to cover. Blue Monster Games token. I will drop a video about that in the coming days, so stay tuned for that.